Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will tell you that how to fix a broken WordPress dashboard. Okay, here you are seeing that my WordPress dashboard is totally broken. Now I want to fix this issue in just simple steps. Okay, so for this you have to access your file manager, I mean your cPanel, so that you can easily update some files and see the result. Okay, so first of all go to your cPanel. As I am already in login state, that is why I will click on cPanel admin, and then I will find file manager option. In file manager option I will find out the WordPress website files. Okay, here is public HTML, then go to the WP content, WP includes and other files, but I will go to the wp config file. Okay, edit this, and then find a line where wp debug, here is wp debug false. Okay, it is the end of this wp debug or wp config files. So here you will add new code to fix the dashboard issue. Okay, so for this I will copy paste the code which I just have to use. Don't worry, I will provide this code in the description of the video. Okay, so just write this and save changes, and now go to your broken dashboard and reload the dashboard, and then you will see that your dashboard issue is totally removed. Okay, so here is the simple solution to fix the WordPress broken dashboard. Thank you very much.